Right. What's going on there? Traders. Let's dive into the market. Oh my God, what is going on in this world? I wanna cry. And I believe many other millions people are looking to decide whether they actually want to be alive or not. I don't know what to think, honestly. It's a really, really sketchy situation. There is one guy that thinks he owns the world and he makes the rules, and we all suffer because of that. So, Donald Trump yesterday, obviously, we already know tariffs on the whole world without the exception. Some hit easier, some get more damaged, like China, minus 50% in one day. All this obviously causing a sell-off cascade towards the market. The US stock market is crazy bad down, and crypto as well, because obviously they are very interconnected. Let's see what happens next, but yeah, before we dive into the charts and see what's gonna happen next, come and join our community. We're having a lot of people on a day-to-day basis inside the community talking crypto, finding good trades, even in the bear market, as we are right now. And yeah, we're sharing some good alpha there. So come and join us, and see you already there tomorrow. So let's dive into the charts. It's it's ridiculous to see how the whole market is red, as you can see. Like there is not much green to be happening right now. All red, and yeah, obviously there is not much to be analyzing on anything else other than BTC, the king, and Solana ETH for now, because really we want to see some good momentum to the upside on the main pairs before we can even consider Binance. I want to see how is Binance Coin performing, which has been so steady, and this is actually quite interesting to witness that no one really wants to sell BNB, and it could be that it's just artificially being held up. Because I don't personally believe that there is so much demand that no one really wants to sell this thing. So yeah, God knows what's happening behind the scenes, but BTC is the main asset, so that's all we care about, and it's not really looking too bad. Like depends on the chart as well. So like this is the Binance price action. It actually did not take out this high, which means that there are a lot of uh, like stop losses in this specific area, and they were not triggered so far. And also there were a lot of selling orders that came into the market, and now they are in profits, and yet there is a lot of stop losses from these sellers who are going to sell from here. So and also a lot of take profits here. So these are key areas. I mean, obviously, we really want to see uh, at major lows in any sort of way. So that's what we're doing. And yeah, I can see that BTC could potentially still. It's interesting. Like if you watch this chart, right? If you watch this chart, what do you think about this chart? Where it's gonna go? So there is the continuation. This is actually perfect bull flag, bear flag as well. And now we actually made a double bottom here, and now we're moving up. So this is BTC chart inverse, by the way. And this is a very clean bull flag if you just put it the other way. So I'm very, very curious to understand like um, how this is not too obvious in if you put it out there, but it is anyway. But what we're seeing now again, like on a weekly chart, we really are rejecting this area, and by nature we would go lower. Yes, if there would be a print, then this is lower on weekly, and weekly is a very important time frame, obviously. And I would not be like, just from technical perspective, this is double top. This can go even lower, actually. Like, I'm not, I don't know what to think. I don't know. In my opinion, the economy can break at any given moment now. And there can be a lot of bad stuff happening that is coming out in the economy, and I don't know where it's gonna lead. But obviously, I hope for the best. But it does not look really good for the economy and all the sentiment. So yeah, I mean, BTC obviously it's gonna actually outperform majority of the other assets, because in times of uncertainty, really you want to be allocating to gold and BTC, because like BTC also is a way to really, you know, be in one single asset that remains steady and you have control over. No one can, fuck with you. No, there is no bank that can take it away from you. It's you and your own ownership. So this is really important. And yeah, that's really amazing to know that there is one safe haven asset that is actually going to stay relevant, yeah, even during the turbulent times. So do not sell your BTC, just hold it. We don't know where the market is going to go, but we can predict that it would possibly want to take out 76,000 if we're bearish, and 88,000 if we are bullish. But for now, it seems like we're more bullish than not. It's just we really need to take out any sort of, and we need to print like a really like big uh green candle, and actually stay green for the rest of the day, not just like that we are doing right now, that we're just slowly grinding. So this is not really an interesting like moment to be a trader, because there is nothing going on in the markets, and you really have to be able to accept this, that since December 15 we've been only grinding towards the downside. ETH has lost over 57% of its value, and it's not looking really good for it. Not gonna lie. So it's an asset that many of the institutional investors are now looking to have. Uh, like they don't even know that themselves what's gonna happen next, and this is worrisome news for many of you. But for us, what matters is that we will still be able to understand where is this market going, and if we just see the BTC dominance chart, then obviously it has been going up, and this means that the altcoin season is not there yet, obviously. And like what matters here from this sort of structure that we are, climbing towards, with BTC being I mean, in this from this structure, we will eventually see a sell-off. Like, this is how this works. I mean, I do not believe that we are going to break out from this, and BTC will take 74% of the whole market cap. It just does not make sense. But I mean, market can stay solvent longer than you can stay able to trade it. So I would not exclude this completely, but it's a very interesting moment, and really patience is required, and that's all you got to rely on right now. So yeah, I think that's it. I mean, there is no point of giving any trade ideas. It's just like a matter of waiting time. We've been waiting for almost 3 months now. As I showed you the chart of ETH climbing to the downside, and taking out its its previous low, minus 57%. This happened since December 15th, and that's exactly what has been happening. So we've been seeing a very, very dramatic price action on majority of the altcoins and no upside momentum at all. So this really tells a story about the market, and it's gonna be very interesting to see where this market is going to head next. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I wish you have a good trading day and come and join the community. I'm always there providing alpha, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Goodbye.